In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually free up space here on your C drive in Windows 11. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you are running low on storage, here's how you can actually clean up your C drive and reclaim space. Begin by actually opening up your disk cleanup. You can do this by clicking the search icon in your taskbar and just type in disk cleanup just like so and hit enter. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. If it hasn't already selected the C drive, go ahead and manually select it. After doing that, hit OK and it'll take you to a new page where you'll be able to select different files to go ahead and delete. Now, it should automatically select these temporary internet files and these download program files. I recommend just selecting those unless you have other stuff that you want to clean out. Obviously, untick this thumbnail section. We don't want to clean those out. But once you tick everything that you would like to go ahead and select, simply go ahead and hit OK. It'll ask you to confirm that clean. Just simply go ahead and select delete files again, and then it'll start cleaning up those files for you. It doesn't take very long, but that is it. Your C drive is now going to be cleaned up. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick Windows tips just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.